My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don come out come call out Pepsi say they give her expired drink, and she don go back go delete the tweet, but her fans don come out to come call her out over this huge mistake wey be say she make. And also Doyin don come out come like a shade tweet about Venita. So of recent, we know talk say Venita and V dey fight online over the fact say Venita go like a shade tweet about V. And Doyin don come carry herself insert inside the thing. As we all know, for those of us wey watch Big Brother Naija All Stars, we see say Doyin and Venita dey be enemies, they no like each other. So the tweet wey be say the person tweet against Venita wey Doyin go like, now I wan read for una. So the person come say, anyone that blame V is very foolish and an unfortunate being. The tweet wey the person quote for, the person wey dey for down come talk say, none of you unfortunate stars should blame V for standing up for herself. Venita is a bully, old fool. As you can see, na two different tweets na Doyin like wey be say dem dey insult Venita. In as much as I no support the way Venita dey shade people up and down, I no see a reason why Doyin go insert herself for Venita fight. So with that one wey be say dey go on, people come bring out this particular picture of where Adekunle and V dey hug each other for Techno launching wey be say dey do earlier late last year. Dem come dey claim talk say na because of this particular video na make Venita still dey vex for V and Adekunle. Make we see some fans reaction after Doyin force herself into the fight between Venita and V. So the first person say, I agree with the tweets, but I don't think Doyin should be inserting herself same way Venita should not have been liking shady tweets about V. Another person can say, if na Venita like her shady post now, una go dey mad. The next person say, Doyin, this speech will always be goated. The speech wey this person dey talk about now, that day wey be say they evict Doyin from Big Brother Naija All Stars. Remember the last thing wey Doyin talk now, wey be say she come and come call Venita, say Venita is mean, say if Venita no like person, if she get issues with person, go do everything possible to make sure say that person life dey miserable. Last person can say, anywhere they are dragging Venita 3 a.m. wake Doyin up, she will be there. I love it. Doyin wey dey talk na just same Joe, minor differences. Doyin too dey mean somehow, because Doyin mat, she got her own meanness, she dey call am bluntness. Venita dey chest her own meanness with her full chest. This particular shading to Venita serves her right anyways, because Venita no dey rest. Anyway we say she see Adekunle and V, she's always, her blood go just dey hot. She needs to calm down. So on top Phyna matter, Phyna come out few days ago come celebrate with us, to say Unique Soap don give her product and Pepsi don give her product, but Phyna still dey find fault for the two companies after they don even give her this thing. By the statement wey be say she make about Unique Soap, say she no go even use the soap at all. Now she don go drink Pepsi, drink Pepsi finish, she come out come tweet, she no even check wetin she dey tweet, she just hurry come out come put out this tweet, come say, Jesus, what have I done to deserve this? I was sent expired Pepsi. Come put 2 heart emoji wey be say break. So as she put out that tweet finish, immediately now she come go delete am. Maybe person don call her to order say, babe, you make mistake. She come delete am, come out come put out another statement. So make I read wetin she write. She come say, for the post earlier, it was an honest mistake from our end. As we couldn't comprehend the test, we had to look into the expiring date. Apologies. Phyna, you dey apologize, still dey talk say the taste of the drink dey somehow. This thing wey you dey talk, e go cause you big problem. All these people wey be say dey cheer you up, all those your Ras fans wey be say dey cheer you up, dey tell you say make you continue to dey do the things wey be say you dey do, they will not be there when kasala go burst. So some of her fans don come out under that post come warn her, because they dey very angry at her, say, babe, no be everything you dey carry come Twitter. If you no understand wetin dey write for the bottle, Google is your friend. From wetin we see for there, you go see say the BB 200924, you go see say na be the expiring date. The manufacturing date na dey for under. That's why I bring the picture out so na go see am clearly. Manufacture the thing March na be 03. You see that for down for there, you go see 21/03/24. Now March, that na the manufacturing date. March na dey produce the particular Pepsi 2024 to expire for September. 09 na September. So na September this year na the thing go expire. For those of now, you talk why they go give Phyna a whole 1 year supply of Pepsi to finish within that period of time. They know they do and keep like say na stew they cook put for fridge. Now so they do am. Both gala, all those things, na things wey be say e dey expire on time. They not be for long duration of time. Now you go give them the preservation wey dem go do and make the thing take for 7 years. So the first person here come and cocola come say you are trying to do damage control and still shooting yourself for leg. You couldn't comprehend the taste. Now reading and comprehension. Another person come say it's good to confirm things before posting because negativity spreads fast in this social media space. Still for thanks. Another one say Phyna Gogo is your friend not Twitter please. The next person say Lafatla Pepsi should sue you for that honest mistake. Great job, it was rectified. Another person say Phyna no sabi badge number. No be everybody sabi badge number, no be everybody. So that one na another thing. The problem wey I get for there na Phyna no dey ever calm down. The girl is always, her blood dey always hot. She always wan come prove a point to people online. So another person come say be calming down. Phyna, you don't have friends you chat on WhatsApp. A lot of things you tweet might for WhatsApp, not here. If you want Nigerians to take you serious, stop tweeting everything here. Now exactly, this girl talk and finish. If Phyna want people Nigerians take her serious, make she stop to dey talk online. Anything wey be say you no understand, ask your friends to say for better clarification. You no need to ask only one person, ask several people so that you go dey sure before you come out come talk am. Pepsi na big brand and Phyna, you no fit just dey talk certain things like that. See that girl wey talk about that thing tomatoes, you see wetin happen to her. Just be careful when you dey call out people businesses. Una take care, una bye.